Welcome back. In this video, we shall learn about arrays in JavaScript. Array in JavaScript is used to store different types of data at once. And this is how to write an array. Let's say I want to store the name, age, location, and financial worth of someone with the name Ekaite in one variable. I can use an array to do that like this. Let's say customer detail. Say Ekaite. She's 24 years old and she stays in Uyo and she's worth 300 million. Now let's console.log customer detail. You can see we have an array of Ekaite, 24, Uyo, and 300. Just know that you write an array using the square brackets, and every item inside the array is separated with the comma sign. And also note that an array can take any data type. Like we have here, we have a string, we have an integer, we have a string, and we have an integer. I can also put in another value here, which is a float. And when I run the code again, you see we have the floats right here. Arrays can even take booleans. So you can see it says true here. Before we jump into the next video, let's talk about something known as nested arrays. This is a type of array that has sets of arrays inside it. For example, I can say customer detail and set this to this, and I'll have another square bracket inside that's gonna have Bola here, age of 23, and Bola stays in Lagos, and Bola is worth 5,000. Then I'll come out of that square bracket and have another square bracket with someone called Chika. And Chika, let's break this down. Chika is 33 and Chika stays in Enugu, and Chika is worth 4,678. Now let's console.log customer details to see what we have. As you can see, we have all our items logged to the console. So a nested array is an array inside another array. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.